Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel where we do lots of unboxings over here. Today we are checking out one of my favorite beauty subscription boxes, you guys. This is the BeautyFix by Dermstore. This is a monthly beauty subscription box, and I feel like for the price paid and the items that they send to you, it is a really great value. I always find just really great items inside of this box, you guys. So we're gonna be opening up the newest box. This is the September 2024 box that I have with me today. So we're gonna go ahead and check it all out and see what's inside. As always, if you guys are interested in purchasing this subscription, I will post a link down below for you. I also have a discount code that works on anything and everything on their website. So you guys can use that code to save some money off of this subscription, including long-term plans. So if you want to purchase a 3-month, a 6-month, however long you want for your subscription, it will take 15% off of the total purchase price and not just your first box. So you can get 3 months of this box and it comes out to about $60 up front. You get free shipping on all 3 of those boxes, and then you get a box of beauty for only 20 bucks. But like I said, you can also use that coupon on anything on their website as well. So this is your first look at September. Holy bananas, you guys! I love when I open up a box and I'm like, oh yes, we scored this month. So first item, you guys, of course we're gonna start with this. We have a full-size product in here from Medik8. This is Crystal Retinol 10. It is the Retinol Night Serum. 1 ounce, 30 ml. I am pretty dang sure this is a full-size product that we have here today. Now, this is an excellent brand. Medik8 is really expensive, so I know it already paid for this box, you guys. I pay about $20 for this because I do prepay ahead, but this is 100% worth it. So this product, you want to use at night, and they recommend cleansing first. Then you're going to put this all over your face and neck, allow it to fully absorb, and then follow up with a moisturizer. It mentions that this does have crystal retinol inside of it, so you want to be using it gradually. So you want to start with maybe once a week, then do twice a week, and gradually work up with it. But it says after you've used it for a solid 2 weeks, you could try every other night. You could increase that intensity. If you do too much too early, it can be too strong of a treatment. So you really want to get your skin used to it first. So this is what it will look like here out of the box. Great brand, excellent product, you guys. And I don't see an expiration date anywhere. So that was the only other thing I was double checking, but I don't see anything listed. So I believe this is still a brand new, fresh product. Like, it doesn't seem like it's an old product either. I always try to look for that because you never know, but I think we just have a score here, you guys. Holy bananas, you guys. $107 for that product. I just can't believe it, you guys. I don't know how they do that. So this is very typical for Dermstore. They will put together a monthly box, and I feel like every single month they will include at least one full-sized item that will pay for your box, and it's always amazing. I knew this was going to be expensive, but I was thinking, you know, like $60, $70. I had no idea it was $107. So next item that we have in here today is from RMS Beauty. This is the Eyelights product, and it looks like the shade is Strobe. Now, I'm guessing this just means it's an eyeshadow, but I've never heard eye light before. Now, RMS is great brand. I've used a few of their beauty products before. They have some great blushes. Love those. This is what it looks like here, and this is the color. So it is a liquid product, and then it comes with a little key to help push all of the product out as well. So what you do is you actually slide this on to the end of it. Oh, you're supposed to be able to, at least. Maybe not. Maybe it's gonna be dipped. There we go. You're actually gonna push this on to the end of the tube, and then as you use it, you're gonna twist it and it will roll down. You'll be able to get all of your product out of here. So it's kind of a cool design. You get all of the product out of your metal tube, but this will be basically your liquid eyeshadow, and this is the color that you have. Now, it does mention that this is a fast drying product, so you do want to blend this out very quickly, whether that's with your fingers or with a brush. You want to do it quickly because it dries pretty much on contact. I'm kind of surprised though that we even got a makeup item. Dermstore is traditionally skincare, because, you know, derm being skin, that is really what they focus on. They do have makeup and other products on the website, but like 90% of their focus is on skincare products. So it's kind of fun that we did get makeup in the box. Now, another great brand that's inside of our box. I sound like Tony the Tiger. Great brand. This is the Lancer Gravity Defying Moisturizer. So this is just your travel size. This moisturizer also has a firming component to it. So it's supposed to give hydration and also tighten up the skin while using it. We have 0.25 ounces or 7.5 ml here. There's also a sheet mask inside of this box. This is from MZ Skin, which is a very expensive skincare brand. Everything that I ever see from MZ is so overpriced. And I do think they're great products. Don't get me wrong. They're good quality, but they're very expensive. I could not afford to go out and buy them. I would rather get them in subscription boxes. So this one is the Hydra Lift Gold Mask. So it's an all-over mask. It comes in 2 pieces, and then you can apply this on. This will help to give your skin hydration. There's also a serum that's on the mask, and it will help to tighten and lift everything on the face as well. So it's kind of a dual property for this mask. So I also have toothpaste inside of the box. This is from Marvis. Jasmine Mint is the flavor on this one. Or is it flavor? Yeah, because it is in your mouth. It's not just scent, right? I think it's flavor. We're going to go with that. You don't eat toothpaste, and now I'm overthinking this and making it really complicated for no reason. This is like story of my life. So anyways, we have toothpaste inside of our box. This is travel size. I always feel like toothpaste goes a really long ways too. 10 ml. This will last me a while, you guys. And I do brush my teeth every day, but I don't feel like you need a lot of it to get the job done, if you know what I mean. But great toothpaste brand. I've used their products before. They have really strong flavors as well. So I like, now I'm really thinking, is it scent or is it flavor? I think it's flavor, Sydney. It's just really strong. That's what I'm trying to say. Last item inside of our box today is from La Roche-Posay. This is the Daily Sunscreen SPF 50. So we have a small little sample here of this product, but it expires a year from now. So it is still fresh. My mom loves this sunscreen. She buys this like crazy, and it is her favorite one. So she's gonna be very happy. I'll give her another little one of these. So that is everything inside of the September BeautyFix box by Dermstore. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. But I think this is a holy bananas box, you guys. Now, granted, I know there's going to be some that are going to go, yeah, but there's a lot of small ones in here. It's true, but the fact that I'm basically getting a full-size product at a discount, I'm not spending $100 on it, I'm spending $20. And then on top of it, I'm getting all these other gifts with purchase. That's just how I view it. So for me, this is such a steal of a box. I mean, to get that product for 20 bucks is amazing. But the eyeshadow was also a nice surprise this month. So I like that we got a little bit of makeup. The toothpaste is great. So they did change it up a little bit this month as well compared to what we normally see with the boxes. So I thought this was really good. Now you can still purchase this box as long as you order in the month of September. This is the exact box that you will receive. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!